Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see uh, the problem of WhatsApp messages not sending uh, and how can you fix it. So to do that, let's head over to our internet connection to see if it is stable. And if it is not stable, change from Wi-Fi to mobile network. And the second thing you can try is to clear your app cache. So keep tapped on WhatsApp and go to the info icon and then scroll down and go to storage. And here you will find the cache. Tap on clear cache and it will be deleted. And if the problem still persists, you can try going to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And in the search result, you will find the WhatsApp app. And if there is any update available, you'll see it in here. Just tap on update and it will be updated automatically and installed too. So, and try to sending messages on a WhatsApp again. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will see you in the next